Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So if you're new here, thank you for joining me today. And we are making cinnamon bun twists. And if you like cinnamon, you will love this. And if you like cinnamon bun spread, you will also like this. So first what you need to do is get some Crescent rolls. And you can find that in the refrigerator section in your local grocery store. And we try to find healthy, but if you can't, just find what you can and you can go with it, because sometimes you have to go on the unhealthy side to make a great meal. And let's get right into it. So you need Crescent rolls, you need some cinnamon bun spread. This is from Trader Joe's. You can get this or any cinnamon bun spread if you can't find this. Next, you have melted butter and cinnamon sugar. You put some of your ground cinnamon and some sugar. Monk fruit sweetener is the best. And then you mix it up and it looks like this. And let's get right into it. So first you roll out your Crescent rolls and you have two triangles that you put together to make rectangles, and you do 4 of those, and I have them here. And then you get your spoon and you dollop the cinnamon bun spread on to 2 of the Crescent rolls. And I put that in here. Then you get your spreader and you spread it along all the edges and everything so it coats a thin layer. And let's do that now. And thin layer, but as much as you can, just and almost, and perfect. Then you do the other one. Now we get cinnamon bun spread, and this is great cinnamon. And if you like cinnamon, you will definitely like these because they have a lot of cinnamon in them. Okay, now we get our spreader and we spread it around. And you need a little more. And there we go. Now we spread it and voila, it is ready. Then, the reason you didn't put it on the 2 other ones is because you take this and you put it on top. And do that on the other one too. Ooh. You have to put these together and you go like that. You put it on top and then voila. Then you get your cutter and you do 4 slices. 1, 2, one more cut, 3, 4. And, oop, that one was a little skinny, so we made a bigger one, and then we do 4 on the other one. 1, 2, and 3, 4. And now we take it and we twist it, because it's a cinnamon bun twist, and you twist it, and you do that, and you do it for all 4. And this is great for a breakfast or for a dessert. This would be a great dessert. I love cinnamon, and I'm really excited to make this recipe and show it to you guys. And yep, you do 4 more, and then we're good. And you got it. And you can see the cinnamon bun spread just oozing out of there. It looks so good. And there we go. And after this, 1 more, and then we are at the final stretch. Do that, we go. Then we're gonna move this to the side. And move this over here. And move this to the side. Then you get your basting brush and get it with melted butter. And you want to lightly coat it with melted butter. And yep. And you do this so the cinnamon and sugar sticks that we're going to sprinkle on next. And there we go. Then you get your tiny spoon and you sprinkle on cinnamon and sugar. You don't want to use this whole thing because then it would be a little over cinnamon, but yeah, we're almost done. Final stretch. And this looks amazing. Then we put it in the oven for 375 for 12 minutes. And I already have some ready. And they look awesome. This is the finished product. And it looks so good. And I'm gonna try it. And also, I didn't mention that we have a dip. You can make a dip or a sauce with this. It is powdered sugar, vanilla, and that's it. So I'm gonna try it. It is so good. And I forgot to mention there's also half and half in this. This is so good. It brings out the cinnamon flavor, and this is great for dessert, a buffet, breakfast buffet. You can have this for breakfast or anything like that. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos, and enable all notifications so you can watch more of my videos. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye.